Let's go. Chief, look, as I was saying, came here last night and checked if there would be any like settled water or any like guarded water anywhere, and nothing. I came in, the sun is bright, and look, not a single crack. These guys are professionals. Very good job. Very, very good job. And this whole decking, this I don't know how to measure in feet actually, but it's like, I know the meters. It's like 13 meters and then 10 meters. They used only 119 bags of cement to deck this. 119 bags of cement. The thickness is, I think, 7 inches or 6.5 inches or so. And including this huge stairway. See? Look. Very huge stairs. He actually requested for 120 bags. Can you imagine? 120 bags. And we use exactly 119 bags. And the 120th one is actually cut open. But he didn't use. I'll actually go down and then show you the cut cement. And when you are editing, you can move that out. So, till now, nothing. Not a single crack. Last night, there wasn't any damp, any settled water anywhere. And I came to check because the sun is seriously up now. And ooh, landscaping, jeez. So let me go show you downstairs. These are the stairs. On the stairs as well, not a single crack from anywhere. Oh, wow. I saw one of these in one of your videos, but yours, I think it's the Pram Pram project. I would advise that you change, make this place a square and divide into 2 only. Your Pram Pram project, I saw that this is a little bit slanted and you have more than 2 stairs in this corner. It's not order safe because it will reduce the number of space for a foot, in these corners. So you have like 1, 2, and 3 before you make the 10 in one corner. It's not order safe, and it also takes the aesthetics, the beauty out of it, because then, let me show you what I mean. You see, this line should match with this so that this corner becomes a box. It's the same thing I did on the second level here. Look, this is a box divided into 2 exact points, but your Pram Pram project, this line wouldn't be a straight line like this. The line that comes from here is somewhere around here. So this is already bent. Let me use the bigger one so that you understand. So this is like the main stairs, okay? Aesthetically, this main stairs is coming from here to make this straight line, aesthetically. But your Pram Pram project, from here, this line doesn't continue. The first stairs ends somewhere here, making this a little bit deformed. Then also from this level, from here, you have 1, 2, 3 stairs before you come to this one. It's very dangerous. It reduces the amount of space, foot space for here. So assuming, look at mine. Mine is only 2. Even with mine, look at the foot space. Okay. So your Pram Pram project, this place is going to be much smaller than mine curve. So I think you have to revisit and check it out. So what you can do is make a box in the corner you want to do the turning at, and then you divide into 2. You get a much better width. Anyways, let's go back to the cement issue. I hope this video will come. Now, he ordered for 120 bags. This is the 120th that they didn't pour, but it's opened. You see, there's the wall. This is my rock wall. Look at the excess rocks I have, and more at the back. He's going to build this entire place with rocks, and I still have more at the back. So this is the 120th bag. So this is the living room as well, and that's the visitors room downstairs. This is the kitchen. The kitchen here. I love big windows as well. And this is the storeroom, the washroom, the laundry I wanted to use for All these things are mine. No, so I don't rent them. Now, these are the excess 10 bags, and I saw that they were getting close to the end of the project. I just, for precaution's sake, I want to buy 10 extra bags. 10 extra bags. And in my area here, one bag of cement is like 100 cedis. There are different prices, actually. Some are, I think, 82 cedis, 85 cedis. But I went for this type, which is, they charged me 100 cedis for one. And have a couple of things going. So let's go. See you later, Chief.
Keep going.